Hey y'all, for those of you who are new to my channel, I'm Taylor, and for those of you who are joining me again, welcome back. So I thought I would vlog my weekend. I have a lot of stuff going on. I know tonight we're going to go see our friends Andy and Kyle. They're in the group Penny and Sparrow, so we're going to go see them. I'm going to make some dinner before we head out. I think the show starts around 8 or 9, and it's 5 now, so we have some time. And then tomorrow, my friend Monica's coming over. Going to spend some time with her, take some photos of her, and then on Sunday, I'm doing a session for a family. They need some pictures for their holiday cards, so I'm looking forward to it. I'll be sure to show you what I'm eating kind of in between. I'm probably going to be doing some homework too, so I'll keep you updated, and I'll see you here in a second whenever I start dinner. My plate full of apples, and we're off to see the show. She has bananas and tissues. Mama, you can say hello. It's not like a music video.
I'll shut the door.
Hi. We're headed to see Andy and Kyle. We messed that up. Penny and Sparrow, Andy and Kyle.
Here we come.
Andy and Kyle.
We're coming for you.
Bye. See you there. Probably see you on the road with my apples.
North Congress Street on the left.
So I messaged her about that.
When raindrops fell out from the sky, the day you left me, an angel cried. Oh, she cried. An angel cried. She cried. Baby, can you focus on me?
Hey y'all, so it's Sunday now, and I have a session with a family in about 30 minutes, and so I'm gonna do that. I'm not gonna vlog it just because I don't want to intimidate them by having 2 cameras out, but I'll update you and let you know how it goes. But I'll check back in after, because I have a full day of errands and other things like that I'm gonna bring you along with me. So I will see you here in just a few. Hey guys, so finished up the shoot. It went great. Picked up some Subway, and now we're headed back to the house. I'm gonna edit some pictures, yeah, eat lunch, and then what are we gonna do after? Go shopping? Errands?
Errands.
So a new TJ Maxx just opened up near the house, and what are your thoughts on that?
Well, I've been there 4 times, and today will be my 5th
and it just opened. And we were there for the grand opening at 7 a.m. in 32-degree weather.
You
So
don't have to buy anything, you can just look. And I believe buying is in my future.
we're looking for some stuff for my room. I'm finishing up a little gallery wall, so we're gonna look for some stuff for that. Whenever we go shopping, we like to get a good deal. So if it's over what?
15 bucks.
We don't get it.
Yeah.
So we go straight to the clearance section. So thumbs up for discounts. See you soon. So I was just gonna film whenever we got home, but then my mom just said something, and right when she said it, I just said stop. Let me pull out the camera. So would you like to tell them what you just said?
I told Taylor last night I had a dream that I was a cinnamon roll. So if anyone out there is like an interpreter of dreams, could you please get back with myself or Taylor to let me know what that means?
So what were they doing to you? Like
I was in a factory and I kept being wrapped up, and I was getting scared, and I'm like, what are they doing? And they're like, you're gonna be a cinnamon roll. And I said,
Did you get frosting on?
I got frosting, but it was very hot on top. Hey, I'm back. I've interpreted my own dream. So I'm really trying to lose weight. I said I'm gonna go ahead and get my new year started off now. And I was thinking yesterday that I had some rolls in areas that I need to work on. So maybe that's the whole dream, was I am a cinnamon roll. And maybe I need to become more like a flatbread.
Like a flatbread?
Yeah.
This is how you do it right here.
We have arrived at Ulta. I'm here with Taylor, and we are on a mission.
Mom is
Look at this
vlogging.
place.
It's brand new.
Brand new.
No
not
nail
picked
polish
over.
on the...
There's no one that's tested nail polish, and you've got every color on the...
Hello friends, we are back. We did a little shopping, found something for my gallery wall, and a little bit more. It was payday, and I just consigned some clothes, and I needed some winter stuff. So I got this sweater, cute little fabric, nice. This would be cute with a cardigan over it, olive green. Oh, if I could just
Love
like
it.
watch. Love it.
Love
give
it.
give some input, you know.
Love the color.
Love
Good.
the color. Kitchen cloths, dishcloths. We heard if you wash your face in these, they'll change your life. We don't know what's gonna happen. This could be really bad, or it could be great. This was also very cute and very cheap. I like layering pieces, so I'd wear those with high-waisted jeans and a cardigan. Turtleneck fitted thing, if I can get it, yeah. I like this print. Has that like, you know.
A little frayed.
You know, it's kind of cropped, kind of not. Maybe it's just more fitted. But I like this because I could wear that with like some gold necklaces. Yeah, and the sleeve has the same kind of detailing that the other turtleneck did. I got it oversized. I got it a size bigger than I normally wear just because I like oversized stuff. A white button down is it has this little, what's that called? Ruche?
Sure, what do you call it?
I don't know what it's called, but I know it's cute. Eco Tools, that's a good brand. And then we got some snacks because we're hungry before we get dinner.
We're gonna sip a little something. Someone spilled the tea.
Let's spill the tea, shall we?
Let's do it. That's
this is
none
so
of my
cute.
business.
Right? Super cute, super cheap. How many times can I say super? Let's do a count. I got this Morphe 25B bronze palette. I got a 20% off coupon. And so all this, like everything I bought was 20% off. Look how cute that is. There's a lot of mattes, but then right here, there's the sparkles. Then I got the Kylie lip velvet lipstick in golds. And I got the Morphe cream lipstick in Forevs. I liked it because, oh look, it's kind of like a nude color. I got the gloss in boho. You can't really see it that well because it kind of matches my skin tone. Last but not least, I got Pacifica Desert Princess. Oh, look at that. I like this brand because it's free of like chemicals and stuff. So it keeps your nails healthy and strong. Would you like to do an ASMR?
No, but you have something else.
What?
Where's that Kindle? Or Kylie?
I
whatever.
did it. Look,
Oh, you
it's right
did?
here.
Oh, I'm sorry, I missed it.
Where's the Kindle?
I'm just hungry. I'm thinking about a cinnamon roll.
See you at dinner here in a little bit. So we're going to eat dinner, and I know that I'm gonna have a baked potato. So I'm about to carry this in my purse. Side note, this is for me and my mom, so I promise you I'm not eating all this butter, but shout out Paula D. Let's roll out. Hey y'all, so it is now Monday. Sadly, the weekend is over, but Thanksgiving break is coming up, so we have a short week at school. But I wanted to hop on here really quickly and say thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. I would really appreciate that, and that would mean a lot to me. So I will see you in my next video, and thanks for watching. Bye.